Ladies and gentlemen, we are here to celebrate an extraordinary achievement in the world of music. The legend himself, Winky DiBigman, has been honored with an award that shines as bright as his 2-decade-long career. His Ghettocracy New Year's Eve show was a spectacle to behold, a testament to his remarkable talent and the unique Ghettocraft experience he brings to his fans. Presented by Kobz Jr. of Trust the Process CW, this award is a symbol of recognition, a testament to Winky D's significant contributions to music and culture. And this is no ordinary award. It's a golden Ballon d'Or, a symbol of the highest recognition in the world, much like its counterpart in the football world. So here's to Winky DiBigman, a true legend, whose music continues to inspire and resonate with many. Congratulations on this well-deserved honor.